Looking for Ascaso Espresso machine for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, pulling a good shot is as much an art form as it is a recipe. So prepare your high-pressure pista resistance in style with the Ascaso Dream Up V3. A stunningly simple control cluster and analog temperature dial puts you in the cockpit over your morning brew, without the ever-distracting set of options and buttons we've grown too accustomed to by Ascaso. Number 2, Basic V2 Espresso Machine, another great product by Ascaso. Number 3, Ascaso Dream Up V3 Programmable Espresso Machine, with fit control polished aluminum. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.